Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. All right, so it is Friday. Happy Friday. I'm going to have a very short video today. I simply want to share a message that I shared on my Instagram and my Facebook page. If you don't follow, click in the description box down below. I've been doing positive messages every day. Today's was simply list something that you're grateful for. So if you guys are watching, please, right now, type in something in the description, in the comment box, something you're grateful for. It can be anything. I posted on mine that I'm grateful for social media. You guys interacting with there is what helped keep me a little bit more sane. And we all have a million different reasons. I posted that in different groups. And so a lot of you probably already commented on there. Feel free to comment again under the video. But just think of something, just even one thing. If you can list a bunch, do it. But we really need to take this time to focus and think about something that we're grateful for. I don't care what is going on in our lives. There is always something that we can stop and appreciate and be grateful for. Like I said, something as simple as being grateful for social media. A lot of people are listing families or the fact that they're not sick yet. There's so many different things going on that we can focus on. That's amazing. Every morning this week, and I'm going to put the videos at the end of this just for the fun of it. Every day this week, I've been getting up, getting my coffee and going outside, listening to the birds in the morning and just enjoying that. That it's a little peace, a little calming. The birds are happy. They don't care what's going on in the world. And that kind of helps you focus a little bit better, which ultimately, if you're in a better mood, if you're in a better mental state, it helps your weight loss journey. That is what has really helped turn me around from, 2 weeks ago when I was gaining weight to start losing weight and actually behaving every day this week because I've been taking the time to keep myself positive, keep myself centered, and don't focus on the negative. Obviously, we have to acknowledge it. There's stuff that we have to address. There's stuff we have to do. There's stuff that we can't do that we want to do. But just accept it and brush it aside. Do what you got to do and then move on and then do what you can to better improve your mental state, which will help your physical state. There's plenty of stuff as far as exercise go. I'm still a huge believer that exercising helps release endorphins or whatever to make you more positive. And so definitely do that. Even if you are literally going to jog in place for 20 minutes or less. I don't know. Everybody's abilities are different. I don't think I could do it for 20, but walk, jog, whatever, moving around, get some blood flowing, get some endorphins going. That really helps. So yeah, it's like I said, this is gonna be a short video. I just want to take that time to remind you guys that there are things to be grateful for. There are ways to be more positive, to change our mental well-being, and that can help us focus on our weight loss journey. I know a lot of people are kind of not caring as much or not paying as much attention. I've just been talking to other YouTubers, and a lot of them, are saying this recipe or this recipe, views are down because I know sometimes it's hard to care. But there was somebody that commented in my Facebook group today, or another group, I forgot which one, I posted in a bunch today. But she had commented about and I think she's a hairstylist, I think. But she commented about how her roots are getting really bad and that her eyebrows, she's starting to have one eyebrow and she just can't bring herself to do it. I am a believer in the whole fake it till you make it thing. So even if I'm not going anywhere, I'm literally going nowhere today. Well, I'm going to the bank. But other than that, I have nothing to do. I'm going to be here. But I get up, I get in that shower, I get dressed, I change my clothes, I brush my teeth, I brush my hair. Granted, this is literally just hand brushed. I did not do anything to my hair today. I am probably going to end up trying to cut it myself. I used to do that all the time, so don't freak out. Don't think I'm going to mess my hair up. You guys know I am a hairstylist. But if we can do these little things to take care of ourselves, to get a fresh start on the day, that makes a world of difference. If you just, because we have nothing to do, Well, unless you are working from home or whatever, but if you're like me and have nothing to do, if you just wake up, stay in bed half the day, lounge around in pajama pants or pajama clothes all day, that is not good for your mental health. Plus, eventually, we're gonna go back to work. You might not want to have to readjust your life hardcore because you've been sleeping until noon every day. But also, it just helps get you started and motivated. And for me, getting up and doing that, it gets me motivated to do stuff around the house, because very easily, I could very, very easily turn into that person that doesn't clean, doesn't do dishes, lets laundry build up, all of that, because I have nowhere to go. Nobody's coming over. Who cares? It can happen very, very easily, but that also leads to, germs and illness and bugs and all that. But it can happen. So me getting up, like I said, starting my day with going outside with my cup of coffee, then getting in the shower, changing clothes, all that jazz, really helps me start my day. Like, I'm taking the time to record this video. After this, I'm exercising, then I'm doing the dishes, and it is a goal in my head today to finally organize my room. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it in the way my camera is normally in my room now, but I have this shelf full of pop vinyls and action figures, and it's just cram-packed and dusty as all get out. So I'm making myself do that and do stuff around the house. I know a lot of you guys are neat freaks, so probably don't have projects like that to do, but I'm not a duster. I'm really, really bad about not dusting. And this is helping me, like, all right, cool. That's my project today. If I, at the very least, do this one thing today, I'll feel like I'm accomplished. So like every day I've at least been doing the dishes while that I've been cooking. But other than that, just pick something. I'm gonna scrub down the bathroom hardcore. Gonna reorganize the shelf in your bedroom, whatever. These little things add up and really make a world of difference as far as mentally. But it also helps you physically, because as you're cleaning, as you're doing this project, that project, whatever, you're moving around and building calories. Because, you guys know, like, my step counter has not been going high as much as I want to, because honestly, I'm not really walking outside as much as I want to, because there's people everywhere. But we're not getting into that. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. Please comment with something you're grateful for. Check me out on Instagram, on my Facebook group, all of that, and just be positive. Try your best. And I'm gonna leave with all of those little videos that I've been posting on Instagram this week. But after that, please subscribe to my channel, like it, all that fun stuff. All right? Thanks. No sun, but it's still pretty out. 74 degrees today. Wow. Hey guys, happy Monday. It's a new day, and remember, it's time for a fresh start. And also, progress, not perfection. Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's another day of isolation, but that does not mean it needs to be another day of not staying on plan. Let's do this. It's a beautiful day. Wednesday, the week's almost half over. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. I'm up before sunrise today. My sleep has been weird, but today's going to be great, and it's never too early to remember progress, not perfection. Those birds. But the sunrise is finally starting to happen. Good morning, guys. We made it, y'all. It's Friday. Have a great day. I hope your week went well, and have an awesome weekend.